How to see YouTube search history. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your YouTube application. After that, go to your profile icon from the bottom right corner. After that, what you will have to do is simply go to settings, scroll down, and then you will see an option of manage all history. From here, you will be able to see your YouTube search history. You can filter it using date and also interactions. Go to interaction and then find search history, and that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.